I'm Eric Mattei from matteirealty.ca in one of the finest enclave of homes here in Toronto. And we're at a home, 19 KINKORA Drive, that has a lot of features that you should know about, including a stunning 52 by 177 foot lot. One of the most outstanding features of this home, premium property. 52 feet of frontage, 177 feet of depth, more or less, and you've got yourself a hell of a property. It affords you opportunities for a garden suite, custom built home additions, and more. Not to mention, the entire lot is south facing, so you've got tons of natural light. This is an outstanding location for more than one reason. You have quick access to the highways, quick access to transit and shopping. More to the point, almost every other home in this pocket is a beautiful custom built home. So the property here, being as big as it is, affords you the opportunity to build your dream on this site. Welcome to the interior of 19 KINKORA Drive. It's a gorgeous open concept floor plan, and it offers quite a few features that you need to see, including two of everything. So come on in and have a look inside this home. The main floor of 19 KINKORA Drive offers an open concept floor plan with a large living room and dining room, two full bedrooms, one with a walkout, a gorgeous family-sized kitchen that overlooks the backyard, and a sunroom with its own laundry on that floor and a walkout to a huge backyard. One of the special attributes of this home is its accessibility options. Those include a roll-in shower, extra wide bathroom, and another feature I'd like to show you as well. It's a platform lift. Now, there's something called universal design. This platform lift could serve as a myriad of different options for you to use to be able to get people or things in and out of the house. The same as that roll-in shower and wide bathroom can accommodate anyone of any ability to have more comfort when they go to the bathroom. The main area for entertaining and living here is the kitchen, which has its own breakfast area that overlooks the backyard as well, and walks out to this large sunroom that has a main floor laundry, additional storage, and walks out to a huge deck that overlooks the 177 foot lot. In this sunroom, there's also skylights and floor-to-ceiling windows. It's south-facing, which means you get a beautiful amount of natural light in here as well. This is a fantastic opportunity to entertain or enjoy your family. When you enter the lower level of this home, you'll see something special. You get more for your money out of this residence. There's two kitchens, one on the main, one on the lower floor, two full bathrooms, again, one on the main, one on the lower floor, two bedroom setups, two on the upper, one on the lower level, and there's also entrances for each level. The main floor has three unto itself from the sunroom, side, and the front, and the lower level has its own separate walk-up. Behind the French doors, this is a self-contained unit that's ideal for income or extended family. Once again, I'm 6'4", so if I could fit down here, that gives you quite a bit of versatility from such a deep basement. And the windows here are above grade, most of them south-facing, so you get lots of natural light as well. That gives this home a dynamic for potential income that's exceptional. You've seen the premium lot, the outstanding location, the incredible features of the inside of this home that allow for a duality and accessibility that most homes don't allow for. It's ready for you to come and see. So in order to do that, please, you can first look online at matteirealty.ca. You can email us at info@matteirealty.ca, or you can call us at 416-557-SOLD. That's 416-557-7653. We'd be happy to show you this home on a personal tour. I'm Eric Mattei. Thank you for taking this tour with us. Have a great day.